Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by listing every activity and its duration. Do it now so you have material to build the network. Once done, assign each task a short ID and record its direct predecessors. Make sure to capture the type of dependency. Finish to start is most common, because that choice changes the sequencing. You'll also note any resource constraints briefly. They won't alter early critical path computation, but will guide later adjustments. You now translate the list into a network diagram. Place nodes left to right and draw arrows for dependencies so flows are obvious. Once the diagram exists, perform a forward pass to compute each task's earliest start and finish. Then do a backward pass to find latest start and finish. After both passes, compute float for every activity. Float equals latest start minus earliest start. Tasks with zero float become your critical path, showing where any delay will affect. You finish by marking the critical path and total duration clearly. This is your go-to-schedule baseline. Then validate milestones and confirm no isolated nodes exist. If you need to shorten the schedule, consider splitting long tasks, adding resources, or altering non-essential dependencies. If results look wrong, check 3 common issues: incorrect durations, wrong dependency types, finish to start versus start to start, or missing predecessors. Fixing any of those usually resolves inconsistencies and restores an accurate CPM diagram.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.